Hi, good morning. So again, we start the today's trading with two very important things. One is on Nifty 9950 10,000. That basically again remains a good important resistance. Why so? Because a lot of writing is around those positions, and also uh, the way market actually showing in terms of future bets, option bets, in terms of a lot of stock and sectoral churns. It's clearly telling you that around 10,000 there will be a big move. Psychologically, you should expect a good resistance, a good hesitation around those levels. Now, there are two scenarios. What happens if you cross 10,000? Then I would say 400 points move should be on the cards. There should be very sharp moves. And again, if you're not able to cross, then what happens? You're not going to basically be just hovering around 990, 9950. Perhaps you could actually drift down to 9710, 9840. So perhaps 300 points down from there, that could also be on the cards very easily. So which tells me that perhaps we are now bracing ourselves for a big move around expiry, post expiry, but should be in the next few sessions. What about the bank nifty? Looking very good. Private banks looking even better. My concern would be HDFC Bank results are today. There's one stock where a lot of long positions were there in terms of P-note circular also. So were they actually waiting for the results to come and then actually start unwinding, or they actually have been gradually unwinding? That's a big question, and I would try to be slightly cautious because I had the results. Private banks are doing good. Axis Bank actually was doing good. So while the private banks are going to support the bank nifty, it's good for the markets. In particular, just be cognizant of HDFC Bank. That this possibility which I'm telling you, the results actually could be again the same sort of steady results it has been giving over the last many quarters. Now let's also talk about the long positions. They actually were seen in Manappuram Finance, a lot of NBFCs. We also saw long positions in Reliance Industries. Now let me give you like a 1 minute 2 cents on Reliance Industries also. What did the AGM tell us? AGM actually told us that there is a new product which they are launching, feature phone. The offtake depends now after the launch, which is like a good 1 month away right now. So till that time, then basically two things get factored in from a lot of brokerage notes. The brokerage notes which are coming out, they are telling you that they are slightly cautious. They're not in a hurry to actually do upgrades of 3,000 rupees, 2,500 rupees, but rather right now most of the targets they are around 1,500 to 1,700 rupees. And they actually, and the second quarter, the company is hinting out, Reliance Industries, that Geo will start getting factored in the calculations. In very simple words for the common man, what does it imply? The second quarter, September quarter results, at present, most of the analysts won't have a clue about what sort of impact Geo could actually do to the financials. And that's why Reliance Industry stock perhaps should be doing well at the Independence Day launch of feature phone. Usually it's a sentiment mover. So perhaps the downside is limited, but the upside now is actually going to be acting more on the feature phone rather than the financials. So for Reliance Industries, I think just watch out. Do not expect major fibers, but I don't expect a major downside from here. Perhaps because of the launch triggers, the stock actually should continue to do well. Now, let's also talk about what are the other sectors which could be in the action. A lot of results actually they came up. IFL Holdings, Tirumala Chemicals, and there are a host of other banking names. The results actually have been decent enough. So far the result season is good. Some stocks which I really liked was Tirumala Chemicals, good performance. IFL Holdings, good solid numbers. Again, housing finance companies whose results came out, they actually were also looking quite good. So to me, I think if I would say perhaps the markets are actually going to try and break 10,000, those levels are going to be tested. And I'm quite happy with the results so far which are coming out. There are very less negative surprises. So I think this is what the market is looking like, or from my perspective. If you want to basically watch out for some stocks, I think watch out for chemical stocks, IFL Holdings, watch out for that. Perhaps the brokerage stocks should also be doing quite well because IFL Holdings is setting out the tone. So just watch out for that space, and then also watch out for these lab very bad numbers. Negative reaction could be expected there, but then watch out for Lupin and other stocks. Those seems to be getting good sort of clearances. So and also other stocks as I've highlighted. Just watch out for them. Manappuram Finance, again the gold prices they are moving up. Manappuram Finance, good long positions being created. Perhaps that could also move. So just watch out for that. Gold financing space is looking quite good. So these I think should the pockets to watch out, and then I will stay in touch with you. Like talk to me on Twitter, Facebook, any medium you want to like, and I will respond to it. Take care and have a good rain day.